How's everybody doing? This is Brodie with Vivirito Realty, doing another cocktail video. We have 4th of July just around the corner. So to celebrate, we are gonna do red, white, and blue cocktail. And a little thing to make it a little bit different, I'm actually making all of these as egg white cocktails, which is really scary to some people. But it's actually really good. All of these drinks too, if you do want to make them at home, you do not need to include the egg white, so that's no big deal. But with an egg white cocktail, all you're gonna do, and I'll go through this when we start making the drinks, you're gonna crack the egg and you're gonna pour just the egg white into the drink, and then you throw the rest away. You add all the other ingredients, and then you do what's called dry shaking. It's shaking the cocktail without ice in it. It makes it super frothy and foamy. And then you add your ice and then shake it like you normally would and then pour it out. It makes the drink really silky and smooth flavor-wise, so or texture-wise. So it's really fun to do, and it's impressive for your friends. If they're willing to try an egg white cocktail, you should do it. It's really fun. So first one is a red drink. We're gonna do a strawberry daiquiri. The red ingredient is fresh strawberries. We have talked about the different levels for each ingredient in previous videos. We're gonna do 2 ounces of rum, 3/4 ounce of lime juice, and 3/4 ounce of simple syrup to make this a really balanced cocktail. Add that egg white and add muddled strawberries. So first, I'm probably gonna do 2 whole strawberries, muddle them. Today we forgot the muddler, so we have a wooden spoon. If you don't have a muddler at home, wooden spoon works just as well. So you're gonna muddle them, crush them, make sure you get a bunch of the juice, you make it a pulp, 2 ounces of your rum, 3/4 ounce of your lime juice, 3/4 ounce simple syrup. Okay, here's the fun part. It's been a long time since I've made an egg white cocktail, so this is going to be a really fun experiment to see if I can do this the first time. All right, so we're going to take the yolk, pour it back and forth. It's come out in there, so that worked out really well. Throw it all in, dry shake it, make sure it's sealed because this is with that egg white. There you go. Okay, so now it has the dry shake. Now we're gonna add our ice. Shake it again. Your egg white strawberry daiquiri.